Ellie, and we're back for another video. It's Sunday, and we're going to the second Smurf cruise from Smurf F82, I believe is his Instagram, and we're going to be cruising to the meets, meeting some new people, some fellow BMW enthusiasts, show off some of their cars, and also go on a cruise afterwards from the 101, or no, Highway 1 to Santa Cruz itself. So that'll be fun, cruising with probably a lot of cars and a lot of loud V8s. You're gonna have a lot of good sounds coming from this video. I'm excited to see everybody. E92 Mel, Brandon, Carl's going, and maybe Ginny and a couple other people. So we're on our way to San Mateo now. We'll see you guys there soon. So we made it to the pre-meet, or the pre-cruise meet.
Okay.
Here's everybody. Wet M3's over there. Smurf F82's over there. I don't know any of these guys, so we're gonna be antisocial, but that's okay. We're here to have fun. Oh, someone parked next to us. So it's Mexico Blue M4, I think, and then Hungry Garage. They're also here. More people coming in. Silicon Valley Beamer.
That's okay by itself.
A bunch of M3s from different generations. E92, 80, E46, another E92, and M2. Don't know the chassis code. I think it's F87. Pretty nice. Nice thing about having an E93, not very many people run it. It's usually E92s. There's what, M3 over there. I can't wait to hear this one. V10 M5. Never heard it in person before.
I just got it.
M3 CS. Seeing it in person. Beautiful car. Big crew of BMWs coming in, lots of pops. This one's Ginny with a nice APR wing. Lots more coming from there.
Ready for takeoff.
Much more cars just showed up.
It's chilly.
E92 Mel. We're cruising with them now. We're gonna follow them in their beautiful car. right, so we don't drive as fast as they do, so we pretty much are in the back of the line now. It's hard to keep up with these guys. They drive pretty reckless, but it is pretty fun to watch, I'll say that. So we're following now from the back. Luckily we didn't get lost. Just cruising over to the location, the first stop. Okay, we finally arrived to our destination after a very long cruise. We got lost multiple times. It's easy to get lost in a big group like this. Overall, my experience was okay. We're about to eat some Hawaiian food at Pono's now. Yeah, you're, oh wait, come at an angle. Yeah, you're good. Later. right, so that's the end of the meet, or end of the cruise officially. It is now just me, Ellie, and Carl. And we've been driving for, man, like over 100 miles. So we're both tired, about to head home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.